The livestock markets were the story on Thursday, while soybeans fought to stay in the green thanks to another flash sale to China. Agday's Michelle Rook has more as we close out the week in Markets Now.
Well, a higher day in cattle and row crop futures on Thursday. Mark Schultz is in with analysis. Mark, let's talk about soybeans because we bounced off of major support here this week. Is that going to hold, do you think?
Well, to me, I think it's crucial here, this $10.80 a bushel on the nearby spot soybean futures. Watch that. That was the area for a year and a half. We had never been able to trade nearby futures above 1080. So we had this big, massive sideways trading range. It looks like we broke out of that, went up to the upside. So once that was major resistance, once we broke out, it now should become major support on the bean market. And at least, if nothing else, it tested it, it held it yesterday and held it and able to gain on that again.
So was it just a technical bounce in your opinion, or now that we have flash sales that are coming at the market, was it a push from some of this demand?
You have this correction coming down, and what you're finding is you're finding actual buying taking place. So that is a good sign. Flash sales this week right now leaning towards about 40 million bushels of beans sold. So I would suspect next week's export sales are going to probably be somewhere in that 50 to maybe 60 million bushels. So doing what it has to do, we're getting some business done, and hopefully it leads to more.
Corn a little higher on Thursday, but still stuck in its trading range, right?
It's basically a big sideways. In the big picture, I still think you need the weekly close about $4.50 on March corn to suggest that maybe we're doing a little bit of a breakout to the upside, and that the trend is what I believe is still slowly up, will continue to move higher.
Cattle market making new highs for the move as we saw sharply higher cash trade pushes above those 50% retracement levels. Do we keep going?
Well, it's been quite a move. It's 12 days up on the cattle futures market, and we have rallied $25 in those 12 trading days. 13 will be tomorrow. That will be a Gann Fibonacci number, so something to watch there.
Thanks so much, Mark Schultz, North Star Commodity. That's Markets Now.